Perched atop a private hilltop in Oregon's renowned wine country, this extraordinary estate offers a rare blend of sweeping valley views, privacy, and thoughtful design. Ideally located between Sherwood and Newburgh on 2 peaceful acres, this home places you close to acclaimed wineries, dining, and local charm, while still feeling wonderfully removed from it all. Built in 2022, this award-winning Street of Dreams residence spans nearly 6,900 square feet. Inside, the home opens to a stunning great room with a striking double-sided fireplace, exposed beams, and walls of glass that open to the patio and valley beyond. It's an ideal setting for entertaining, relaxing, or simply taking in the scenery. The open-concept kitchen is both refined and inviting, featuring quartzite countertops and Monogram Signature appliances, designed for gatherings that feel effortless and elegant. Savor expansive, unforgettable views while relaxing in your thoughtfully designed outdoor spaces. The main-level primary suite offers a true retreat where you can wake up to gorgeous vineyard and valley views. Relax in the ensuite bath with heated floors and a luxurious Victoria and Albert soaking tub. Designed with both sustainability and sophistication in mind, this energy-efficient home also provides full control from your smartphone. Downstairs, the daylight basement reveals additional bedrooms and flexible living spaces. Then, tucked just beyond, a hidden door opens to an unexpected entertaining retreat, complete with a fireplace, mini bar and kitchen area, and a theater room, creating an intimate space for movie nights and gatherings. Outdoor living is equally impressive with expansive patios, a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, and thoughtfully designed landscape lighting for year-round enjoyment. Just beyond the main residence, the 3-car garage is topped by a private living suite of its own. Inside, this separate space offers multiple living areas, a bedroom, and a full bath, ideal for guests, extended stays, or flexible multi-purpose living. As evening arrives, the home takes on a new mood, warm, inviting, and effortlessly elegant. This is a rare opportunity to experience the beauty, comfort, and serenity of Oregon wine country living at its very finest. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.